Evaluating these expressions, all we're going to do is basically take the x, the numbers that are replace the variables and put them in there, right? So since x is 3, I can take this 3 and put it in for that x. Since this x is 2, I can put it in for that y. So this becomes 2 times 3 cubed plus 2 squared. So the x goes away, is replaced by this 3. The y goes away, is replaced by this 2. I can do this because they're equal to each other, right? I have this equation set up, okay? So now I do my exponents first because of PEMDAS, right? So I do this 3 cubed. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27, right? 3 times 3 times 3, right? It's not 3 times 3, okay? So this becomes 2 times 27 plus 2 squared is 4. 2 times 27 is 54. Plus 4 is 58. Okay. All right. Evaluate the expression for x equals 5. Again, this 5 is going to replace the x, so this becomes 1 over 5 to the negative 2. When we have a negative exponent, we bring it to the other side of the fraction, and we change the negative exponent to a positive exponent. So this becomes 5 squared, which is 25, right? Not 5 times 2, it's 5 times 5, okay? Evaluate this expression for x equals 567 and y equals 4. That's a huge number. You might just shut down, but realize that x to the power of 0 is 1. So even though we put it in there, and it looks pretty complicated, okay? This is 4 squared. Oh, sorry, I didn't do a different color, guys. My bad. 5, anything to the power of 0 is always 1. So even though this is a huge number in here, right, it's just 3 times 1 times 4 squared is 16. It's not 8. It's not 4 times 2. It's 4 times 4. Okay? So 3 times 1 is 3. And so then 3 times 16 is 48. Okay? And you can use a calculator for these, right? 3 times 16, throw that in your calculator, you're good to go. Okay? All right. So we've got 5 times 2 cubed times 4 to the power of negative 1. Okay, so we'll do our exponents first. This 2 cubed is 8, so this becomes 5 times 8. Again, it's not 2 times 3 for 6. It's 2 times 2 times 2, okay? And then this 4 to the negative 1, what we do is very similar to this. We bring it to the other side of the equation, so instead of going to the top, it goes to the bottom of our equation. And change the negative exponent to a positive exponent. So this becomes 4 on the bottom. 4 to the power of 1 technically, but it's 4, right? So this is 5 times 8 is 40 divided by 4 is 10. Just like that.